Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Ben Tucker, Jerry Fry. We're at Muscle Car Central's garage. We're working on our 67. Today we're gonna rock out, man. Hyped up, Jerry.
Yeah.
Tell me about this sound system we got from Custom Autosound.
Hey, this is something we carry in-house. We get it off the shelf. This is an awesome setup here. We laid it out here on the table for you just so you can see all the wonderful products. It's got a fantastic stereo system. It really does sound good in the car. It sounds a lot better in the car than it does out here. It's just too open. But easy to install. Kick panels fit great. Speakers already in them. They come ready to go.
I love it, dude. Not only the kick panels fit great, you want to get that hair blowing? You got fresh air vents, baby. Kick back, hit the vents open.
You got the hair to get blown.
That's right, man. Only on these videos. Realize
right.
sucks, man, but hey, we're living the dream today.
Yeah.
Honestly, Custom Autosound is a great manufacturer. We offer all kinds of different radio speakers from them. They got the USA 230, the USA 630, and the 740, and the brand new USA 850. I mean, you were hyped up when I brought you this over.
Yeah. I love streaming from my phone. You don't have to worry about whether you're in a bad part. You're out in backcountry roads in a cruise. You lose your reception for some reason. You got Bluetooth. You can stream it. The hands-free Bluetooth for the phone is fantastic. You just hang it up there where in a convenient spot. Run the wire. It comes with plenty of wire. You can put it down low. I prefer to put it up by the visor. Sounds a little better for the other people on the other line. USB port.
Hey, and they're the new ones. This actually will charge your phone compared to the other ones out there where just for MP3 music. Yeah. That'll charge or read an MP3 file if you have a little disc you want to put in there, thumb drive. Dude, it rocks. I mean, honestly, it's an easy rocking installation. Follow the instructions. You'll have it in no time and you'll be rocking just like us. Shop online, CamaroCentral.com, FirebirdCentral.com, and Muscle Car Central for all your Custom Autosound needs. You got to remember, hit that link below, like and subscribe.